Human energy structure. Man is a very mysterious creature. The human body appears to be a perfect biological machine that performs a variety of functions, not only externally, but also internally. In three-dimensional space, the body performs various tasks, makes decisions, processes information, and communicates. This component of subtle matter, which is invisible to the eye, is the human energy structure. The energy structure is in the form of a truncated pyramid. This square base of the pyramid is divided into 4 parts by a diagonal cross. The human being is in the middle of the diagonal cross, which means that in front of him, behind him, and on each side, there are 4 triangular-shaped spaces. The human body also emits the so-called biosphere. The biosphere is heterogeneous because the frequency emitted by the brain is different from the frequencies emitted by other organs, such as the kidneys or liver. Therefore, the human biosphere is multicolored. Let's now take a closer look at the disconnected top of the pyramid. The top is about ½ a meter above the top of the head. This distance is approximate because each person is unique. It is here, at the top of the pyramid, that thoughts are born. A person's personality is located in the center at the top. Each person is a personality in life. Personality is the part of us that makes choices between spiritual and animal nature, draws conclusions, does analytical work, and accumulates personal experiences. Between the top and the truncated pyramid is consciousness, or more precisely, the field of consciousness, which consists of sections. The top of the pyramid is a kind of antenna that constantly receives thoughts. Thoughts, in turn, are waves coming from outside. The process of thought formation in human consciousness can be roughly divided into 3 stages. Thoughts attack or excite the membrane structure of the top of the pyramid. The wave of excitation is transmitted further to the field of consciousness, and this process is the response of consciousness to external thoughts. The field of consciousness, in turn, transmits reactive response impulses to the personality and brain. At the same time, the activity of the consciousness field increases. At the 3rd and final stage, the human brain sends a reactive impulse to the personality. Here is what this process looks like. Let's look at the main and most important part of the human structure, which is the soul. The soul is the real antimatter. The rest of the energy structure is formed around it. The approximate location of the soul in the physical body is the solar plexus area, in other words, the actual center of the human being. The soul enters the human energy structure on the 8th day after the birth of the physical body. Between the soul and the personality, there is a channel called the silver plexus. This is the channel that connects the soul to the personality. The soul constantly sends impulses to the personality through this channel. Source power is given to people to connect the personality to the soul. This power is actually the power of attention. The personality activates those programs to which it gives the power of attention. If the personality gives more attention to the septon field, that is, material existence, then the source power is directed to maintain and develop the matter system. As a result, after the death of the body, the personality turns into a sub-personality, which is the information part of the mortal material. If the personality pays more attention each day to the deepest feelings, directing towards the soul as a result, a change in the quality of the human energy structure takes place, and the personality merges with the soul, and a completely new being is created, a being from the spiritual world. The process of learning about the nature of man seems to be endless, as is the number of unsolved mysteries of human existence. Humans still have much to learn, as each answer raises even more questions.